Barley tea, a cherished beverage in many cultures, is gaining recognition worldwide for its remarkable health benefits. With its nutty aroma and soothing flavor, it's not just a delightful drink but also a natural remedy that can support your overall well-being. Whether you're looking for a caffeine-free alternative or a nutrient-packed addition to your lifestyle, barley tea has plenty to offer. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can feel like a challenge. Processed foods and sugary drinks dominate our choices, making it harder to find options that are both natural and beneficial. But what if there were a simple, flavorful drink that could help improve your health? Enter Health Mineral Barley Tea, a beverage that has stood the test of time and offers an array of impressive benefits. This tea is loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent choice for soothing digestive discomfort and supporting a healthy gut. Rich in essential minerals like selenium, magnesium, and potassium, barley tea contributes to heart health, helps regulate blood pressure, and strengthens the immune system. Moreover, it's naturally caffeine-free, so you can enjoy it any time of the day without worrying about sleep disturbances. One of the most outstanding benefits of barley tea is its ability to support digestion. It aids in the breakdown of fats, reduces bloating, and promotes a healthier gut microbiome. Its benefits extend to skin health as well, with antioxidants that may help you achieve a more radiant complexion. Whether you're aiming for a balanced diet, boosting your immunity, or simply looking for a comforting beverage, barley tea is an excellent choice. Adding barley tea to your daily routine is effortless. Brew it hot for a cozy, warming experience, or serve it chilled for a refreshing pick-me-up during warm days. Its versatility, combined with its numerous health benefits, makes it a must-try beverage for everyone. Why not take a step toward better health today? Experience the transformative power of Health Mineral Barley Tea and see the difference it can make in your life. Don't forget to share your experiences and tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.